Hi, if you are a poultry farmer, layer farmer, broiler farmer, or both, this public announcement is for you. Yeah, we want to give you something. My name is Okoyemi Afelui. I'm the lead consultant of DIY AGRIC Consult Limited. So over the past couple of years, we've been able to consult for different farms, different poultry farms in their sizes, small, medium, large scale. And we found that one of the key challenges that poultry farmers face is that they are not able to provide clean, fresh water to their birds consistently. Yeah, don't remove that word consistently. So this is because a lot of them still use the manual drinking system. So they get the water inside the drinkers, and after a couple of hours, the water is out. And sometimes there's a 1 hour, 2 hour time lag between the time the water finishes and the time they replace the water. And that leaves a significant gap in performance. If the birds were supposed to perform at this level, it means with manual drinkers, in most cases, they'll perform just at this level. So that gap is what we are here to bridge. So we've come up with a SIP Smart initiative. And with this initiative, we want to bless a farmer. That means there's going to be a lucky winner. And for that lucky winner, we are going to come to your farm. We are going to change your drinking system from manual to automatic. It means we are going to bring our high quality Indian drinkers to your farm. We're going to remove all the old manual drinkers and then bring these ones in for free, install them for free, and get them running all for free. So for that lucky farmer, it means we are going to be making your life a lot easier than it used to be, and then you'll be getting even better results on your farm. And all that you need to do to participate in this is just leave some information about your farm in a form. I'll be leaving a link to the form in the description of this video, and also in the comment section. It will be the first comment, the first pinned comment in this video. So if I were you, I will rush to the description part of the video or the comment section. I'll find a link and I'll just go and apply. So put in your name, the location of your farm, number of birds that you keep, whether it's deep litter or battery cage system, all those just simple details about your farm, so we get to know more about your farm. And who knows, you might just be the lucky winner. And apart from this, of course, this is a way we get to give back to the community. I'll also be rolling out a lot of videos in this season. As we all know, people are raising birds for the season, the Christmas season. And of course, there are people who raise birds come rain, come shine. So you're going to be getting a lot of tips from me in this season. Even if you are just the first time broiler farmer, there's going to be a lot of videos coming from me. And in order to have access to this, you want to click on that subscribe button. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you want to subscribe right now. Also, it will be good for our channel if you click that like button. And one way that you can make sure that you don't miss out on any of our upload is by clicking that notification bell. So don't forget, rush to the description part of this video or the comment section and look for that link to the form. Fill it, keep your fingers crossed, and who knows, we might be calling you soon to bring the SIP Smart initiative to your farm, and we'll be transforming your drinking system from manual to automatic. So go look for that link and fill the form right away. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.